Hello everyone, let's look at this next example. So before we're gonna list the first 5 terms of a sequence, before doing example 12.7, we're gonna look at factorial notation. So factorial notation involves this exclamation point at the end of a number. So you might have seen the exclamation point in your calculator. It's there. But basically what the exclamation point means is like take that integer, the number showing, and multiply it with all the integers that come up before it up to 1, okay, or down to 1. So for example, 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. So you start with that number and then you count down and you multiply all of them, you get 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we get 4 times 6, which is 24. Okay? We so happen that 0 factorial is defined to be 1. Right? So it just makes things work nicely. Right? Let's do another one. How about 6 factorial? So 6 factorial is start with 6 and count down. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Alright, so we have, what is it? We have 24 times 5 is 120 times 6 is 720. Okay, they get pretty big pretty quick. Alright, so this we're going to need this factorial notation and some of the problems that we're going to do. So this next example, we're given the general term formula for the sequence is 1 over n factorial. And we want to find the first terms of the sequence. So a1 is 1 over 1 factorial. 1 factorial is just 1. And 1 over 1 equals 1. a2 is 1 over 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So this is 1 over 2. A3 is 1 over 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So this is 1 over 6. A4 is 1 over 4 factorial. 1 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is 1 over 24. And A5 is 1 over 5 factorial. 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 1 of over 120. Okay, so our sequence, if we list all the first 5 terms, is 1 and 1/2 and 1/6 and 1/24 and 1 over 120, and this pattern continues. Dot, dot, dot. All right.